Hi there, future lovers! Ready to strap in and take a trip into the wild, weird, and somewhat scary world of electronic wars? Yep, we're talking about a world where battles aren't fought with tanks or guns, but with drones, hackers, and even digital soldiers. It's like a video game, but for real. So, what's the future of warfare gonna look like? How do you stop a tank when the tank doesn't even exist physically? Buckle up, this is gonna get wild. Okay, let's kick things off with a huge shift. Cyber armies, yeah, the next battlefield. It's not gonna be in deserts or jungle, it's gonna be online. Imagine squads of hackers like super nerdy but totally awesome ninjas, sitting in a room with VR headsets, cracking codes, and controlling entire fields of drones without leaving their chairs. Seriously, why fight with bullets when you can just hack? You know how in movies hackers can break into top secret stuff in like 2 seconds? Well, in the future, it's kinda real. Cyber soldiers could break into enemy systems, jam their communications, or even better, take over their weapons. Imagine being able to hijack a robot army and use it for yourself. Game over. Next up, the big guns, or should I say the big zappers. Ever heard of EMPs? Electromagnetic pulses. These bad boys are no joke. One will place EMP and poof, an entire city goes dark. Computers, drones, smart fridges, everything is toast. Imagine dropping one of these EMPs over a battlefield. Suddenly, all those shiny drones and robots, useless scrap metal. Imagine an army coming at you full of robots and futuristic tanks, and with one press of button, boom, lights out. EMPs will be turned off and on again for war. Just hope you remember where you left that flashlight. Sky Wars, the battle for space. Alright, we've covered the ground, but what about the skies? The future battlefield isn't just going digital, it's going intergalactic. In the next few decades, space could literally become the ultimate battleground. Imagine entire fields of satellites armed with lasers, EMPs, and jamming tech flying up there. Whoever controls the space controls the planet. It's like Star Wars, but with no GD and way more hacking. Space battles won't just be about blowing stuff up, they'll be about controlling the digital highways of the world. Knock out your enemy satellites and bam, they lose their GPS, their communication, everything. It's not science fiction, guys, it's happening. Okay, here's where things get even crazier. AI. In the future, wars might not even need humans to fight them. We're talking full-on robot armies and autonomous drones that can make decisions themselves. Imagine sitting back, letting the AI do all the heavy things that while you sip on some soda. And we're not just talking fighting robots. These AI machines will be doing everything, strategizing, attacking, defending, all without a human commander. So, these AI commanders will be playing 4D chess while humans are stuck in checkers. They learn, adapt, and evolve as the battle goes on. You can't outthink them, and you definitely can't outrun them. It's like playing against the world's smartest chess player, except with robots that can shoot at you. And if you thought hacking drones was wild, wait till we talk about hacking people. Sounds like a science fiction movie, right? Well, it might not be as far off as you think. With advancements in brain, computer interfaces, soldiers in the future might control drones and robots just by thinking about it. But there's a spooky side to it too. What if hackers could break into your brain? Imagine them making you see things that aren't there or controlling your movements like a puppet. Talk about mind games. In the future, it won't just be your system at risk of getting hacked. It might be you. Now, that's next level paranoia. So what do you think? Ready for a future where wars are fought by hackers, robots, and AI masterminds? Honestly, It's a little terrifying, but also totally fascinating. Who needs tanks when you've got a drone army and an AI body? The future of warfare is gonna be what? It's gonna be wild. Thanks for coming along on this journey with me. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're into more future crazy ideas, and let me know in comments how do you think future wars will play out.